Hello people, what's going on? It's me again, asking you again to hit that subscribe button before I go any further. So today we will play with some headlights. It's my personal car. I've been doing headlights in so many ways over the years now, and now I want to do it as they say, using sandpaper, going up from 600 to 1500 grit, and then apply a protection UV coat, which apparently is better for headlights than the 2K clear coat. I don't know for sure, but yeah. So this is how my headlights look on this one here. If you can see, lots of scratches. It doesn't affect the vision anyway, but they don't look nice, you know. So I think these ones I will leave them like this. They look nice for now. So this is the 600 part. So you can see I just removed all the scratches, mainly all the scratches. Still needs a little bit, but I did remove all the old protection coat, which started to corrode anyway. So they're all yellowish. Over this winter they'll definitely become yellow. So now we're gonna go on this one, do the 600, then we're gonna go on both with the 800 to get a better finish. Then I will go with a 1200 to get an even better finish, and finish up with 1500. So this is the whole stuff. I'll just update you on the way with every step, how it looks and what you have to do. But actually I'll just finish this one up to 1500, and then we're gonna apply the protection coat on both of them at the end. Okay, always inspect the tape around it, because if you break the tape, you're gonna break through the paint and will be looking dull and ugly afterwards. And I don't really want to paint this bumper right now. So just ensure that you have a good protection around the paint, especially when you're doing the 800 or the 600 grit. So now I'm at the 1500 grit, and I'm thinking to go even a little bit deeper, because I'm testing now. I'm not really confident with this method, but it's my car, so I just, this way I'll have a chance to test it over the winter to see how much they will last like this. And next time now I'll use this Mirka Abdalon. It's a wet 2000 P2000 wet grit. So you can see now when you're applying water, it's similar to applying a clear coat, you know. But this one has got a bit of a, I think it's got some soap and something in it, I can't remember. But yeah, you can see when you're applying the water what is the clarity you have at the moment. And then we're gonna go really sand it really well on this side, and then oh, customer just came over. He wants to buy the Mercedes. Let's hope he's gonna buy it. Yeah, this is 2000 grit on wet, so you can see the clarity is way up much bigger now. Now, there are two things you can do. You can either polish it, go with a heavy grit, heavy cut, then go with a finishing one and leave them like that. But the problem will be no protection coat over it. Using the protection coat, this means will not have, how you call it, the surface is too smooth and it will not stay there. It might be leaking or stuff like that, or it's just gonna fly over after it, you know. So at this stage I will not polish it. I will just leave the cut from the 2000 grit and just apply the protection coat over it, just to make it a test to see how it looks, because it can easily be removed. So I have these Miguire's restoration kit. I had it for a long time now. It's from Halfords and it's not cheap from what I know, but I will not be using this kit. I'll be using only the coating with it. And at the moment you just have to give it a small spray up slowly over it and see what we'll do. You have to leave it to stay for a while, I think like 5 minutes, to level up. Then we'll apply a second coat, and apparently this is it. So for now it looks pretty much alright, I would say. It was quite nice. Obviously the headlight is a bit dirty inside, but that's nothing we can rectify today. Maybe next time. Anyway, so let's wait for this one to cure. Then I'll apply a second coat, a little bit, like 5 minutes time. And yeah, it does look way up much better for the moment. Compared with how it used to be, like this one. Yeah, it's quite of a difference now, but it's still a bit hazy. But as you can see, there's no more marks and anything on it. Let's wait for it to cure. I'll do the other one as well, and then I'll just show you the final results. And it's all finished with a nice shine, like factory finish. Although the lenses, they do have some marks underneath inside the headlight, probably some condensation or some movement and stuff like that. I will not take the headlights off and take the lenses off, no way. But I'm extremely happy with the result, although I haven't done these because they don't really need to. I just left them off the air, maybe next time, I don't know. At the moment I'm just testing to see how the things works with that Miguel's coating, see how long it's gonna last. And who knows, in a while I'll give you guys an update. Anyway, the wind is going mad again. I have to close my doors and everything and go home. So that's it for this video. If you like what you see and you learn anything from it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, love, everything all together, please. And see you guys next time with a new video. Take care.